Welcome viewers. Now we study about the box plot in the statics. Now we see the numbers. 11 numbers we see the score. We call the score 11 numbers. Second, the timeline we see. How many 11 numbers here? The median, we can find the median of these numbers. You see, what is the median numbers? Middle of the distribution of the numbers. Middle of the distribution of the numbers. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 6. Okay, this one median. This is the median number. Median. And then we can first quartile you see, this is 5 numbers, 1, 2, this one, Q1, Q1, we can another 1 is 1, 2 is 2, Q3. Quartile first one, quartile third one. Okay. First is the minimum number, you see. This is maximum 23 maximum, minimum 4. You can see in the timeline you see the numbers 13. This one 13 median numbers in the box plot. The maximum number 18. You see the 18. The maximum quartile 3. Q3, lower quartile, you see Q1 8. You can, in the box you see, write down. This one, Q1, first quartile, quartile 3, this one median, Q2. This one you see, the maximum number you see 23. Minimum quartile 3 you see 18. Median 13. Q1 8. Interquartile range. Between this 18 and 8 into 10. 18 minus 8, 10. Okay, the minimum numbers is 4. This one 4. And then we can see in the whisker. What is the whisker? You see, the whisker is like this. Whisker is like this here. A cat having some whisker. You see, same thing. You see, the outlier we finding the whether this numbers is outlier or not. You see. Outlier, you see Q1 minus 1.5 into interquartile range. This is lower. This is lower. Lower is the higher is Q3 plus 1.5 interquartile range into interquartile range. These are higher. This one higher. Q3, you see Q3 18 plus 1.5. 1.5 into 10. You see 10, 18 plus 15. This one 33 is a higher unit of this outlier higher unit. You see 33 outlier. You can just you see 33. You see 33. Not outlier exists in this in the box plot. You see, and the lower you see lower one. First quartile, you see the first quartile 8, minus 1.5 into interquartile range 10, 8 minus 15, this one minus 7, minus 7, this one minus 7. Okay, in this box chart we cannot have in this outlier, so we can draw correctly. You see this one 23, you see the 23, this curve we draw 23, and then minimum number, you see, you can draw this one. This is the box and the whisker plot, you see. Okay, now we study about the box plot with the outlier. We can first of all we find containing the data in the median of, we find this median. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5, 6 is 7, 6, 7 is 7, 16. 16 is the median. You see the median. In this lower quartile, we find Q1 quartile, lower continuity. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 13. 13 is here Q1. In this upper fence, you see 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, this one Q3. This is the Q3. Okay, we can draw the box in the timeline. You see the median 16 is median. You see the median. You see this median. 20 is the upper this quartile. 13 is lower quartile. You can draw the box. You see the box. You see the Q1, Q3, the median. This median is called Q2. And then we write maximum number 32. Upper quartile Q3 20, median 16, Q1 13, interquartile range Q3 minus Q1, Q3 minus Q1 7, 20 minus 13 7. You see minimum 2. We drawing this line, the outlier you see Q1 minus 1.5 into 1 into interquartile range. You see Q11 is Q1 13 minus 1.5 into interquartile range. Interquartile range, what is the 7? 13 minus what is called 10.5. This one answer 2.5. 2.5 is the outlier. 2.5 outlier. The outlier containing this space. You see, containing this space outlier. And the upper end of the fencing you see Q3 20 plus you see 1.5 this one 1.5 into 7 interquartile range you see 20 plus 10.5 equal to 30.5. You see 30. This quartile, this limit is 30 this here. Here 30.5. 30.5. This place is 30.5. You see. This one here lower end you see. The outlier we find. Outlier is 2. You see the 2 is the outlier. You see. outlier 2. Asterisk line you 2.5 is starting, you see this outlier, this is starting before not consider them. This is a higher unit you see 32 you see. This asterisk you see is the outlier. 2 is outlier, 32 is outlier. 32 outlier, 2 is outlier. You see a drawing this line. Next 5, you see this 5 you can contain in this 5. You can put it. And this 23, you see 23, whisker up to 23. This one drawing this one. The whisker you line 5 to 23. 5 into 23 is whisker. Because of whisker outlier is 2.5. 2.5 you see. 5, 2 is outer one. So we put it. This higher unit you see 32. You see 32. So it is outlier this one 32. We can put it in the same thing. Outlier 30. You see before this one, we use outlier 32 here.
Now we studied about the making of the box plot and the comparison of the data by the Minitab. Minitab is one of the famous statistical software. Here in the software we can use now in the adjustment inventory. I use in 2 colleges, Sabari College of Nursing and Venkateswara College of Physiotherapy. 2 college students participate in this test data submitting. Here you can see this one, Venkateswara College and Sabari College. You see the home adjustment, and then health adjustment and the social and emotional adjustment. 4 area of adjustment decided here. The various data submitting here. You see this one. Totally 8 columns of data completed in the Minitab. You can this Bell's adjustment student form is famous one. We can use this one. Okay, how we draw the graph in the box plot. Okay, how we put the comparison with the other group. Okay, you see this one, the comparison Venkateswara College of student in home adjustment and Sabari College adjustment. You see comparison, each one comparison with this one, the scale value. You see the scale values. Okay, and the labels, you put these labels as per in the column. You see the option, you see the interquartile range box, you see, and the outlier symbols, use asterisk symbols, the median symbols, you see that, and then multiple graphs, you see, no need this one, the all the graph into containing in a single graph, you see. Okay, this no need, you can put this okay, and then evolve the data. Okay, you can compare with other college students. You see the home adjustment in the 2 colleges, Venkateswara College and Sabari College. Home adjustment 12 is the median. You see in this quartile, third quartile, more or less same. This compared with Sabari College, this is low, this one, but more or less same. You see in the quartile range, you see the same, you can extend this one, but Sabari College is outlier is there, occur in the outlier. Some of the students out of the abnormal in the score this place you see in the home adjustment, and then we can go into the health adjustment. You see the same median level you see, and outlier out of the score abnormal score some student occur in this two colleges same, this is same you think, and then you see the social adjustment you see it's a different one, median is a different one. You can see they can the after the quartile third extent of this one you see this extent one of this see there, and their social adjustment this one outlier occur in the sub college you see, or abnormal score in this one. It is also different median level different, and that emotional level you see in the emotional level the very last you see sub college is student is more comparatively more emotional than Venkateswara college. You show this one you think in this graph in the box plot we understand in this one home adjustment outlier there in the sub college adjustment, and then Venkateswara college is also Venkateswara and sub college also occur in the outlier there one, and social adjustment sub college extend the outlier. More student comparing this highest score in the emotional you see very range is very enormous different you see in this data. Okay, I am thanks to you viewers, thank you.